အားလုံးပဲမင်္ဂလာပါရှင် English for Everyone Channel မှာပြန်လည်ကြိုဆိုလိုက်ပါတယ်ကျမကတော့ Teacher AB ဖြစ်ပါတယ်ရှင်ကျမတို့ပေါ့နော် Real Listening and Speaking Coursework ရဲ့ Unit 11 I will do it straight away သင်ခန်းစာလေးကိုဆက်လက်လေ့လာရအောင်နော်ဟုတ်ကဲ့ကျမတို့ဒီနေ့listening program လေးနဲ့စမယ်ပေါ့နော်ကျမတို့ in an electrical shop ပါ okay Rita Ariel works in an electric shop in South Africa Rita ဆိုရဲမြို့သမီးอ่ะပေါ့နော်သူက electrical shop မှာလုပ်နေတာ you have to listen to three conversation conversation လေးသုံးခုကိုနားထောင်မယ်နားထောင်ပြီးသွားလို့ရှိရင် write the number of each conversation A to C အဲ့တော့ A ကနေပြီးတော့ C ကို number လေးတွေကိုတွဲမယ်ပေါ့နော် next to the correct picture အဲ့တော့ပေးထားတဲ့ပုံလေးကိုကျွန်တော်တို့ကြည့်မယ်ကြည့်ပြီးသွားတဲ့အခါမှာ conversation A ကတော့ picture 1လား conversation B ကတော့ picture 2လား3လားဆိုတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့စဉ်းစားပါမယ်နော် okay so let's start let's start A
Recording 2. A.
Hello, do you need any help?
Yes, thanks. I'm here to see Mr. Egber. Where's his office, please?
Oh, it's along here. Let me show you the way.
Oh, thank you very much.
Okay, office တွေပါပြောသွားတာဖြစ်တဲ့ကြောင့်မလို့ picture number very good. That is picture 2 ပါ Okay, listen to second one.
B.
May I help you?
Yes. Do you have a price list?
Yes, we do. Here you are.
Thanks a lot.
Okay.
I'll give you a new catalogue too.
Okay ဒီမှာတော့ catalog တွေเนาะပြီးလို့ရှိရင် price list တွေကိုပြောတာဖြစ်တဲ့အတွက် yes picture 1ဖြစ်ပါတယ် very good okay ဒါဆိုကျွန်တော်တို့3လေးကိုသွားရအောင်
C.
Hello. Yes, can I help you? Thanks, I'm looking for a television. What special offers have you got? We have a good one over here. Shall I show you? Yes, please. It's in the sale at the moment.
Special offer on sale လို့ပြောထားတဲ့အတွက်ကြောင့်မလို့ yes picture 3ဖြစ်ပါတယ် okay ဒါဆိုရင်ကျွန်တော်တို့ဒီတစ်ခါထပ်ပြီးတော့နားထောင်မယ် you have to take the expression that she used to offer help အဲ့တော့ offer help ဆိုတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့ကူညီပေးဖို့အတွက် offer လုပ်တာကိုကမ်းလှမ်းတာပေါ့မြန်မာလိုပြောရင်နော်အဲ့ဒီအခါမှာသူသုံးသွားတဲ့ expressions လေးကိုကျွန်တော်တို့ tick လုပ်ပါမယ်နော် okay so here we go
Recording 2. A.
Hello, do you need any help?
Yes, thanks. I'm here to see Mr. Egber. Where's his office, please?
Oh, it's along here. Let me show you the way.
Oh, thank you very much.
B.
May I help you?
Yes. Do you have a price list?
Yes, we do. Here you are.
Thanks a lot.
I'll give you a new catalogue too.
C.
Hello. Yes, can I help you? Thanks, I'm looking for a television. What special offers have you got? We have a good one over here. Shall I show you? Yes, please. It's in the sale at the moment.
okay အဲ့ကျမတို့ဘာတွေသုံးသွားလဲ yes may I help you can I help you နောက်ပြီးလို့ရှိရင် do you need any help ဒီသုံးခုကိုသုံးသွားပါတယ်နော် okay ဒီတစ်ခါကျတော့ကျမတို့က complete the expression ဒီမှာ expression သုံးခုရှိရပေါ့နော်အဲ့ဒီကောင်ကျမတို့ဖြည့်ရမယ်အဲ့ Rachel ကသူ offer တော့ပြောတဲ့အခါမှာသူသုံးသွားတာပေါ့နော် okay အရင်ဆုံးဖြည့်ကြည့်ပါပြီးရင်တော့ကျမတို့ lesson and check လုပ်ကြည့်ပါမယ်နော် okay okay ဒါဆိုရင်ကျမတို့တွေနားထောင်ပြီးတော့စစ်ကြည့်ရအောင်နော်
Recording 2. A.
Hello, do you need any help?
Yes, thanks. I'm here to see Mr. Egber. Where's his office, please?
Oh, it's along here. Let me show you the way.
Oh, thank you very much.
B.
May I help you?
Yes. Do you have a price list?
Yes, we do. Here you are.
Thanks a lot.
I'll give you a new catalogue too.
C.
Hello. Yes, can I help you? Thanks, I'm looking for a television. What special offers have you got? We have a good one over here. Shall I show you? Yes, please. It's in the sale at the moment.
okay ဒါဆိုကျမတို့ B ပေါ့နော် B ကတော့ I will C ကတော့ shall I ပါ okay so now let's learn about speaking strategies ပါအဲ့တော့ကျမတို့ ကိုကပေါ့နော်ဒီ shop assistant နေနေပေါ့နော်လှုပ်နေပြီပေါ့နော်ဒီမှာတော့ electrical shop ကိုပြောထားတယ်ကိုကကိုဘယ်မှာပဲလုပ်ပေါ့နော် customer line ဆိုကျမတို့ဘယ်လို offer ပေးမလဲဘယ်လို offer တောင်းပြောမလဲပေါ့နော်ဒါလေးကျမတို့သုံးပါဦးလေ့လာပါမယ်you have to underline the expressions you can use to help or to offer help ပေါ့နော်အဲ့တော့ help လုပ်ဖို့အတွက်ကူညီဖို့အတွက်ကန့်လန့်တဲ့အခါမှာကျမတို့ဘာတွေသုံးလို့ရလဲဆိုရင် let me help you and also I will give you a hand okay the last one is that shall I help you ဒါကတော့ကူညီပေးပြရစီဆိုတဲ့အဓိပ္ပာယ်မျိုးပေါက်ပါတယ်နော် okay you can use the expressions in your offering help okay now let's go to next one this is the speak up activity imagine you walk in a shop ကျွန်တော် short မှာလုပ်နေရလို့တဘောထားမယ် listen to these customers and you have to use the ideas below to offer them okay so ဒါဆိုကျွန်တော်တို့ A ကနေနားထောင်ကြည့်အောင်ပါ
Recording 3. A.
Excuse me, how much are these?
အဲ့တော့ how much are these ဆိုတော့ဟိုနဲ့ပတ်သက်ပြီးမေးတာပေါ့နော်ဒီဈေးနှုန်းနဲ့ပတ်သက်ပြီးမေးတာဒါဆိုကျွန်တော်တို့ဘယ်လိုတွေဖြေလို့ရမလဲ yes they are $20 let me give you a new price list okay so now let's go to B
B.
Sorry, but I don't know where I put my catalogue.
okay so catalog ကိုသူဘာမှထားမိမှမသိဘူးလို့ပြောတာပေါ့နော်ဒါဆိုကျွန်တော်တို့ဘယ်လိုပြောလို့ရလဲ don't worry let me find another one for you okay so now let's go to C
C.
Can you tell me where the sales office is, please?
okay sale offices get way near Mania so that's why yes of course it's over there shall I show you the way okay now let's move to D
D.
This pen is broken, I'm afraid.
so pen broken ဖြစ်သွားတယ်နော် okay so that's okay I will get another for you okay now let's go to E
E.
This box is heavy.
so box က heavy တအားလေးတယ်ပေါ့နော်အဲ့တော့ yes let me help you shall I take it to your car okay hopefully you got it here so now let's go to next one you have to find colleagues give return message to pass on listen and complete her notes နော်အဲ့တော့သူကနေတဆင့်ပေါ့နော်ဘယ်သူကိုတော့ဗာပြောလိုက်ပါဘယ်သူကိုတော့ဗာပြောလိုက်ပါဆို pass on ဆိုတာအဲ့ဒါကိုပြောတာပေါ့နော်အဲ့ဒါကိုပြောလိုက်မယ်အဲ့တော့ပြီးသွားရင်ကျမတို့ကဘာလုပ်ရမလဲဆိုတဲ့အခါကျတော့ဒီ short message ထဲမှာဖြည့်ရမယ်ပေါ့နော် okay lesson start here we go
Recording 4. A.
Hello, do you know where Charles is?
I think he's at lunch.
Oh, well, can you ask him to call me when he gets in?
Okay, I'll tell him.
okay သူကဘာလုပ်ခိုင်းနေတာလဲသူ့ပြန်ခေါ်ခိုင်းနေတော့ကျမတို့ဘာဖြည့်တာလဲ calls okay so what about B listen
B.
Is Cynthia there?
No, she isn't, I'm afraid.
We've got a meeting this afternoon, but meeting room 1's busy, so can you tell her we've changed it to meeting room 4?
Okay, I'll tell her.
okay so not meeting room 1 meeting room 1မှာမဟုတ်ဘယ်ရောက်သွားလဲ yeah meeting room 4ကိုရောက်သွားတာပါ okay okay ဒါဆိုကျမတို့တွေနောက်တစ်ခု C လေးကိုနားထောင်ရအောင်ပါ
C.
Where's Kevin?
I don't know, I'm afraid.
Well, I need this month's sales report. Can you tell him to email it as soon as possible? It's very important.
The sales report? Sure, no problem.
okay so သူဘာလုပ်ရမှာလဲ yes sales report ကို email ပို့ရမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ် okay ဒါဆိုကျမတို့တွေဒီလေးကိုနားထောင်အောင်ပါ
D.
I'm trying to find Sue. Have you seen her?
Not since this morning. I think she's with a client.
Well, we have a meeting at 2 o'clock. Remind her if you see her, will you?
Yes, okay, Judith. 2 o'clock? I'll remind her when I see her.
okay so don't forget the meeting at 2 o'clock okay very good so now let's go to E the last one
E.
I can't find the key for the store cupboard. Do you know where it is?
I think Joseph had it.
Well, can you tell him I need it?
Okay.
okay so what happened yeah give Chris the key เนาะ key လို့ခြင်းနေတာပေါ့เนาะ okay very good store cupboard က sorry store cupboard က key ကိုလို့ခြင်းနေတာ okay so now we have to listen read or passed on each message and you have to write which message A to E she passed in each conversation 1 to 5 okay okay အဲ့တော့ကျွန်မဒီမှာပေါ့เนาะOkay ဒီခါကျတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့ reader က pass on each message ဒီ message တွေကိုတော့ပြောနေပြီပေါ့နော် you have to write which message A to E အဲ့တော့ဒီမှာ A ကနေပြီးတော့ E ထိပေးထားတယ်အဲ့ဒီဘယ် message A to E ကို तू ကဘယ် conversation မှာပြောသွားလဲဆိုတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့နားထောင်မယ်ပေါ့နော် one ကတော့ already finished ဒီပါ okay ဒါဆိုရင်ကျွန်မတောက်လျှောက်ပဲဖွင့်သွားလိုက်တော့မယ်နော်စူးစမ်းပြီးတော့ဖြစ်ကြည့်ပါ here we go
Recording 5. 1.
Hi, Reader. Oh, hi, Sue. Judith came in. She said don't forget the meeting at 2 o'clock.
No, I won't forget.
2.
Hi, Rita. Any messages for me? Yes. Judith said the meeting this afternoon is in meeting room 4, not 1. Okay? Okay, thanks.
3.
Hi, Rita.
Oh, hi, Joseph. Chris says, have you got the key for the store cupboard?
Oh, yes. It's in my pocket.
4.
Right, I think that's everything.
Oh, there's one more thing. Chris wants you to call him.
Oh, okay, thanks.
5.
Has Chris managed to contact you?
No, why?
Oh, he wants you to email this month's sales report as soon as possible. He said it's very important.
Oh, no, I forgot. Thanks for telling me.
Okay, great. So now let's check the answer here. Yeah, conversation 1 are D, 2 B, 3 is E, 4 is E, and 5 is C. Very good. Okay, so imagine you are at work. เนาะကိုကအလုံးမှာရောက်နေတယ်ပေါ့เนาะ Some colleagues call you and leave message for these people and you have to listen and write each message. အဲ့တော့ဒီခါကျတော့ကျမတို့အလုပ်ထဲမှာကိုရောက်နေလို့သဘောထားမယ်တချို့ colleagues တွေကကျမတို့ကိုပေါ့နော် phone call ရယ်message ထားခဲ့တယ်ပေါ့နော်အဲ့တော့သူတို့ message တွေကိုကျမတို့နားထောင်ပြီးသူတို့ဘာပြောချင်လဲဆိုတော့ကျမတို့ message ရေးမယ်ပေါ့နော်ဒီမှာအသေးစိတ်ကြီးလိုက်ရေးကြမလို့ကိုကလိုရင်းကိုပဲရေးအောင်မယ်နော် Okay ဒါဆို A ကနေစပြီးနားထောင်ကြည့်အောင်ပါ
Recording 6. A.
Hello, it's Mr. Brown. Can you tell David to call me when you see him?
အဲ့တော့ call him ဆိုတဲ့အတွက် Mr. Brown ကို phone call ကိုပြောရမယ် Okay နော် so now let's go to B
B.
Hi, John here. Can you ask Chris to bring this week's business report to my office?
Okay, Chris ကဘာပြောလိုက်တာလဲ Yes, bring this week's business report to John's office. Okay, so now let's move to C.
C.
Hi, it's Anna. If you see Helen, please tell her to take the store key back to reception.
Okay, so Helen, yes, take store key to reception. Okay, now so let's go to D.
D.
Hi, Martin here. We've got a meeting in room 2 at 3 o'clock. Can you tell Lisa, please? I can't find her.
Okay, so Lisa by Malay yeah, meeting room 2 at 3 o'clock. Okay.
E.
Hello, Mr. Brown here again. Can you tell George that the report is for January the 3rd, not the 8th? Thanks.
Okay. ဒီမှာ report ကိုအချိန်ပြောင်းတာပေါ့နော် report for January 3rd, not 8. Okay. So now hopefully you got it here. Now let's move to the next one. Okay, ဒီထက်ကျတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့ speaking strategies ပေါ့နော်။ဘာတွေလေ့လာမှာလဲဆိုရင် pattern on message ပါ။အဲ့တော့ဒီခါလေးကျရင်ကျွန်တော်တို့ကစောနာပြောလို့ပေါ့ဒီတခြား colleagues ကနေပြီးတော့ဒါလေးပြောပြပါဟိုလေးပြောပြပါ pass on message လေးပြောတဲ့အခါမှာဘာသုံးမလဲပေါ့နော်။ဒါဆိုရင်ကျွန်တော်တို့ကဒီမှာပထမတစ်ချောင်းလေးကိုကြည့်အောင် Chris wants you to အဲ့ဒါလေးသုံးလို့ရပါတယ်เนาะအဲ့တော့သူကတော့ဒါကိုမင်းကိုဒါလုပ်စေချင်တယ်ဆိုရင် want you to နောက်ကနေကိုလုပ်စေချင်တာကိုထည့်ရမယ် for example ဒီစာကြောင်းဆိုရင် Chris wants crits ကလုံးစေချင်တာပေါ့နော်ဒီမှာတော့သတိထားပါနော်ဒီမှာ crits က singular noun ဆိုရင်ကွာဒီမှာ s တန်လေးကိုတော့နည်းနည်းဖိပြီးထည့်ပြောပေါ့နော် crits wants you to email the sales report to him အဲ့တော့ phone call စေချင်တယ်လို့ပြောရင် crits wants you to call you ဒါမျိုးပေါ့နော် okay so နောက်တစ်ခုကဒီမှာ sat ကိုသုံးလို့ရပါတယ် he sat နောက်ကနေကိုပြောချင်တာကို sat ပြောလို့ရပါတယ် okay now let's go to next one here okay so now you have to use the notes on the right နော်ဒီမှာ notes လေးကိုကြည့်မယ်ပြီးတော့ရင်ဘာလုပ်မှာလဲဆိုရင်ဒီ message တွေကိုကျွန်တော်တို့ပြောမယ်ပေါ့နော် okay Steven ကကြတော့ဘာလုပ်ရမှာလဲဆိုရင် call him သူ့ကိုဖုန်းခေါ်ခိုင်းတာနော်ဒါဆိုဘယ်လိုပြောမလဲ Steven wants you to call him okay so what about G sorry what about B George ka yes very good George wants you to send the sales figures to him so C Michael yeah Michael in the sales department နော်ဒီမှာ sales department က Michael ဆိုတော့ maybe သူတို့ဌာနမှာတခြား sorry တခြား Michael လည်းရှိနေမှာပေါ့နော်ဟို technology ကလား financial လား blah 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 ပေါ့လေအဲ့တော့ကိုယ်တေချာလေးတော့ပြောပေါ့နော်ဒီလိုနာမည်အတူတွေပါရှိရဆိုရင်တော့ in the sales department wants you to phone him he said it's urgent so Mr. Lee yeah Mr. Lee wants you to meet him in the conference room at 2 o'clock he said it's important okay so the last one yeah the production manager wants you to prepare a report for her. Okay, great. Okay, so now imagine you are at work, listen to 5 managers give you some instruction. Or the instruction lady will blow not harmless or low memo, no? Many 5 managers can go instruction being there. What does each person want you to do? I'll go by low you have to complete the missing information. Dima low need information tomorrow. Okay, so now let's start here.
Recording 7. A.
Oh, and can you send an email to Helen?
Can you send an email to her? Email no?
Tell her there's a meeting next Tuesday. I'm not...
Okay, there's a what? Meeting. Okay, no? Next Tuesday. Okay, that's what's more beyond the EDU. That's how not how mommy.
Sure she knows.
B. Can you call David Green and ask him to send the report? I don't know why I haven't got it yet. C.
Great, so that's it. Oh, one more thing. Could you ask Bob if he can come at 5? It's late, but that's the only time I can see him.
D.
Would you mind emailing John at head office for me? Ask him to come to next week's presentation.
E.
Please can you make 6 copies of the Clarkson file? I need it by lunchtime.
Okay, so now let's check it out. B is current report, and C, come, D, John at head office, and the next one is presentation, and E is, yeah, make 6 copies and lunch. Okay, great. Okay, so now we have to listen again and check the expression that you hear. Okay, so A is already finished. Can you do the Java don't lie, but no? Scenario do behind don't lie.
Recording 7. A.
Oh, and can you send an email to Helen? Tell her there's a meeting next Tuesday. I'm not sure she knows.
B. Can you call David Green and ask him to send the report? I don't know why I haven't got it yet. C.
Great, so that's it. Oh, one more thing. Could you ask Bob if he can come at 5? It's late, but that's the only time I can see him.
D.
Would you mind emailing John at head office for me? Ask him to come to next week's presentation.
E.
Please can you make 6 copies of the Clarkson file? I need it by lunchtime.
Okay, so check it out. Yeah, C and E. Okay. Okay, so now let's go to the another one. Saying goodbye to visitors. No? And of course your client by so go no set no. Listen to a conversation A and B. In a B tomorrow conversation you have to complete this expression. You can say goodbye to visitors. Okay, so now let's listen. Here we go.
Recording 8. A.
Well, I'd better go now.
Well, it was great to see you. Thanks very much for coming.
B. I have to leave now, I'm afraid.
Well, I hope to see you again soon. Have a safe journey.
C.
I have to go now to catch my train.
D.
Well, it's time for me to go.
E. I must go now. My taxi's waiting. F.
Well, I'd better go. It's been a very useful meeting.
Okay, so now A and B. So for Cami, yeah, not go all. I hope ye Zani. Okay, so now you got that tomorrow C and F one. So now sorry, my A and F did the kind of point down like me. The may yabare. Okay, that's a did tomorrow C and F do not how me and use the expression in exercise 1 to say goodbye. At all, go out the mabo no the. So now once tomorrow to chigere bono the expressions lady or lila expression lady to me the goodbye piolo yabare. Okay, no, saya. Okay, that is tomorrow not how me no see you.
C. I have to go now to catch my train.
I have to go now to catch my train, so that your time you will do my yarn, so okay, have a safe journey. Okay, now let's go to next one.
D.
Well, it's time for me to go.
So, what about this one? Yeah, okay, it was great to see you again. Thanks very much for coming.
E. I must go now. My taxi's waiting.
I must go now. My taxi is waiting, so okay, I hope to see you again soon. Have a safe journey. No, that same day the loop yolo yawa. No, dinia matai at the pure the expressions lay you told me tomorrow. Yolo yawa. Okay, now let's go to next one.
F.
Well, I'd better go. It's been a very useful meeting.
So now for that, yes, thanks very much for coming. Okay, great. Okay, that's it. That's about thing Dalia. Bitawi, anything else about tomorrow. Offer help to customers. No customer below kubo drop no blow offer lomele no. Understand and follow instructions. No instructions later tomorrow nale below lomele. I can take short messages and pass messages on. Short messages go below you mele. Messages go below pass on low mele. No. Now polite ask people not to do something and say goodbye. Visitor in variety of ways. That's why not tomorrow. Yamito tomorrow. I'll message you tomorrow. Now video is a map and Goodbye.